everybody, it's Mr. G here. Welcome to Just Corvette Crazy. Today we're going to be working on the 86 C4 Corvette. Today's job is to replace the oxygen sensor in the exhaust system. So stay tuned for this video.
Hey folks, this is Mr. G and welcome to Just Corvette Crazy. On this channel we talk about Corvettes, we fix some Corvettes, and we love to drive our Corvettes. So if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out a lot. Thanks.
Okay, so here we are in the car. We're going to replace this oxygen sensor with the new one. Now the idea is, I don't know how old this oxygen sensor is. The wire looks very clean, but the connection around where it goes is not. So I'm going to go ahead and replace it. Now one of the interesting things is on the new cars, a lot of the new cars, you'll find the oxygen sensor embedded up into the manifold on top of the engine. So you're going to need a special socket to remove it. These older ones you do not. Easy access, 22 mil. So you can go right up over top of the wire, get her on, and hopefully she easily pops free. And we remove. So there's the old one. It looks pretty gunged up. So let's hope that the new one fits. So again, picked up this new one from Rock Auto. Has some instructions. Finger tight, and then 3/4 of a turn. Sees on the threads, making sure not to get any on the sensor itself. So should be good. Put it up into there. Line her up good. They said finger tight. There's finger tight. And then about 3/4 of a turn. So there, that's 1/8, 2/8 quarter. And there, and there we go. That's about 3/4 of a turn, which is nice and tight. You don't want to make sure that this wire is not just dangling around. There's not a lot to connect to, so I think I might put like a little bit of a tie wrap. I don't want this dangling on the exhaust. I don't think it's going to move all that much, so I think I'm just going to put a tie wrap to hold it up a little bit, and then that should be good. I'll be right back. Alright, so just a little tie wrap. Keep the wires up a little bit. So let's see how I can do that. And again, I do not want the wires to be resting on the hot exhaust. So if I do maybe like that, that should work. So basically I'm just taking the connector, tie wrapping the connector to these other wires that are here. Leaving a little bit of slack on the wire, but it doesn't matter which way the wire goes, it can't touch anything that's hot. And that is that. Alright, so we have just replaced the O2 sensor on this 86 Corvette. So that completes today's repair. So stay tuned for the next videos. There's plenty more to come on this C4 project car. Just Corvette Crazy. Please subscribe.